Welcome to the Routing Concepts Practice Lab. In this module, we'll explore fundamental routing concepts, including static routing techniques to establish efficient data paths. Static routing involves manually configuring routing tables, thus providing a straightforward method for small-scale networks. Network address translation, or NAT, will be implemented to enable private network devices to access the internet using a single public IP address via port forwarding. Additionally, we will delve into the utilization of sub-interfaces, a technique in which a single physical network interface is logically divided into multiple virtual interfaces, each assigned a unique IP subnet and IP address. This allows for the segmentation of network traffic and facilitates the creation of distinct broadcast domains within a single physical interface. For exercise number one, static routing. Static routing involves manually configuring routes to determine the paths network traffic takes. This approach is suitable for small to medium sized networks where a predefined path for traffic is established and maintained through static route configurations in the pfSense firewall router. So in this exercise, we will configure a static route. For task number one, configure pfSense. Once a LAN interface is created, a firewall rule must be in place to enable HTTP traffic through the pfSense 1 firewall. Once this rule is in place, the LAN interface may be configured in preparation for static routing. So in this task, we will configure pfSense in preparation for static routing. So for step number one, we have to connect with ACI WIN 11. So on the taskbar, select Microsoft Edge. In the Microsoft Edge, type into the URL field, type 192.168.0.5 and then press enter. In pfSense, for username, enter admin, make it lowercase. Admin. For password, we have to make sure that the password is this. And then sign in. Select not now. Okay, accept. Close. So in the pfSense, click in the toolbar, click firewall, and then select rules. Select add. Okay, then scroll down, then find the destination plane. And then for the destination port range here, select HTTP 18. And then for the extra options thing, um, type in the description field allow HTTP and then click save. Apply changes. In the pfSense toolbar, click Interfaces and then Assignments. Click Add and then click LAN. For um so we have to check the enable interface. And then for IPv4 configuration type field, um, select static IPv4. And then scroll down, find at this static IPv4 configuration. For IPv4 address, type 172.16.0.1. And then for network mask bit length, select 30. And scroll down, click Save, apply changes. For task number 2, configure a static route. Static routing is a networking technique where routes are manually configured and do not rely on dynamic routing protocols. In static routing, administrators manually define specific paths for network traffic based on destination IP addresses. While simple and easy to configure, static routing is less adaptive to changes in network topology compared to dynamic routing protocols. In this task, we will configure a static route to the 10.0.0.0/24 network via the 172.16.0.2 next hop IP address. Step number 1, we have to ensure that we are connected to ACI WIN11 and the Microsoft Edge browser window is open on the pfSense page. So here, open na siya. And then for pfSense toolbar, click System and then click Routing. Click Add. Okay. For interface, we have to click LAN. And then for name, type marketing. In gateway field, type 172.16.0.2 and then scroll down, click Save. Apply changes. Click Static Routes. Select Add. Okay, for destination network, type 10.0.0.0 And then for the network mask bit length, select 24. For the gateway, select marketing 172.16.0.2 and then click save. Apply changes. And then close Microsoft Edge.